Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of AI Basics. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your number on Magicform AI's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your number on Magicform AI's account, firstly go ahead and open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in platform.magicform.ai and make a search. Log into your account if you are not logged in and it will take you to the home page of Magicform AI's account. Tap on Settings option at the bottom left corner of the screen. You will end up on the settings page of Magicform AI's account. Scroll down and click on User Account option. Now scroll all the way down and edit your number right next to phone number, then click on Save Changes. This is how you can change your number on Magicform AI's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.